Stay tuned to meet one of America's top trial lawyers, John Zaid.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Houston personal injury attorney John K. Zaid is dedicated to helping people who have suffered serious personal injuries and assisting families that have lost loved ones in fatal accidents. Attorney Zaid is active among his peers in numerous legal associations, including the Texas Trial Lawyers Association, the American Association for Justice, Houston Young Lawyers Association, and the Texas Young Lawyers Association. Mr. Zaid's law firm has handled numerous cases, including wrongful death cases in which they returned a verdict or settlement in excess of 8 figures. Mr. Zaid prides himself on his focused work ethic, his swift action on behalf of his clients, his availability to his clients, and his aggressive, thorough legal advocacy. And now, meet John Zaid. Hi, John. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Mike.
Yeah, I know how busy you are down there taking care of your many, many clients, and we appreciate you taking part of your day out to help America understand some of the realities of being a plaintiff lawyer. And I'm fortunate. I happen to know that plaintiff lawyers help people all day, but most people I don't think understand that. And I think a really good example is the case you were telling me about where there was a kind of a multiple fatality and a family involved. Would you mind sharing with us about that case?
Sure, Mike, no problem. And thank you once again for having me today. There was a case involving a company vehicle in which a person who was drinking and driving crossed the center lane and struck a vehicle head on. It was a family of 4 in the vehicle, a family of 3 in the vehicle. The father who was driving passed away. The daughter who was in the back seat, a minor 6-year-old daughter, passed away. And a 7-year-old boy was, really, really injured, and he did survive. He's a paraplegic and had a lot of serious issues, and that's something that had the unfortunate privilege of being able to help that family member, that family and that child.
Wow. I've never been to a plaintiff law firm office where there wasn't a box of tissues on the conference room table. And I don't think most people realize that what you're dealing with often are people who've had maybe the worst day of their life. What's that like?
Yeah, I mean, it never gets easy. Every consultation that I have, especially on the ones that are the more serious and the fatalities, like I said, it never gets easy. We've handled our fair share of fatality cases. Family members are, like you said, it's the worst day of their life. It's probably a point in their life that's not just the worst, but something that they will never quite recover from 100%. And it's your job at that point in time to console them, to reassure them that, there's a plan for this family. And unfortunately, this is, something that does happen, and we're here to help in this unfortunate situation.
Well, we sure appreciate that there are lawyers like you who are willing to take contingent fee cases. We know that you are the keys to the courtroom for your clients, and without the work you do, they would never have a chance at any kind of justice. So thank you for the work that you do.
Thank you. No problem. It's my pleasure.
Sure. John, if someone was watching and wanted to get a hold of you, how would they do that?
The best way to get a hold of us at our office here in Houston, Texas, is to call our direct line. It's 281-333-8959. And also feel free to visit our website. That's zaidlaw.com.
Fantastic. We'll be sure to put that below the text, below this video when we post it. John, thanks again for being here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.